Whilst going to Jamarat, the feeling, what I saw this morning, subhanAllah, once again, it really felt like Hajj. Yesterday, I remember in Masjid Namira, we saw thousands and thousands of pilgrims going in. It was exactly the same scene today. The Jamarat bridges were full, completely full, subhanAllah. You wouldn't think that the Hajj is limited this year. That's how big the number of people that were there today. So this was, subhanAllah, once again, it really brought back the feeling of happiness and joy in my heart to see this many people, this many Muslims, all united with the same purpose, to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to say no to their desires, and to say, you know, after Hajj I'm going to change. So as you can see, I've lost my hair and I'm wearing clothing which is not ihram. So alhamdulillah, after completing the rituals today, one of the things we could do is shave our head and wear normal clothing. And today is also the first day of Eid. It's a happy occasion for Muslims, it's a joyous occasion. And seeing everybody with their new clothes, wearing perfume, it really brings out the joy, and again it reiterates celebrating together, a message of unity once again, alhamdulillah. Wallahi, nobody can predict whether you will cry or not. It just happens in the moment. When you have so many good brothers, when you had so many good moments, every single moment this Hajj has been special. And when you realize you're actually leaving all of this behind, sometimes your heart cannot take this. It's so, you know, the emotions are too much for the heart. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with men crying. So I think we should never forget the people who have made all of this possible, the crew that have been with me throughout this journey. It feels like you were part of Hajj with me, mashallah. So I really want to thank Saudi channel for giving me this opportunity to share a bit of my happiness with the rest of the world. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank everybody that went out of the way to, that were away from their families on the joyous occasion of Eid as well, to be here to bring this to the rest of the world. Thank you very much. Especially Mr. Naif, Muhammad and Fahad.